Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to uninstall Valorant completely from Windows PC. First, open the control panel from the taskbar. Once it is opened, click on Programs. Then go to Programs and Features. Now from the list, find Valorant and right-click on it. You will see the option of Uninstall. Click on it. It will be uninstalled. Now you need to follow a few more steps to uninstall it completely. So click on the Windows and search for Settings. Click to open the settings. Now from here, click on Apps. Scroll down until you see Valorant in this list. Click on it and then click on Uninstall given right next to Modify. Now you wait until the process of uninstallation is completed. Now search and open Run from the taskbar. Here search Local App Data and select OK. Put the sign of percentage before and after the local app data. Click OK to run it. Here search for Valorant. If you couldn't find the option, you can search it in the search bar given above. Or simply click on Riot Games. Then select Install Valorant. Right-click on Install Valorant and hit the Delete option. Now lastly, go to the search bar from the taskbar. And here, search for Valorant. Then click on the option of Open File Location. From the file location, right-click on Valorant and delete it. By doing so, the Valorant will be completely uninstalled from Windows PC. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.